My 10-minute short is 22 minutes long. I mean, I cut out so much. There's so much that isn't in this, including several of the questions, and it's still 22 minutes long. Like, half the questions aren't in it, and it's 22 minutes long. Update on how the film went. I showed it in class, the first cut. It's about twice as long as the rest of the other movies, and the maximum length for movies. Half the class thought it was acceptable, not great, but acceptable, and the other half said that the middle part, the part that I liked and that I thought was important, could be removed at no detriment to the film. Whatever.